As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Char-Broil Performance Series and the Weber Q2800N Plus. Both seem decent, but I'm trying to figure out which is better for me.
Yeah, I can help with that. First off, what size are you thinking? The Char-Broil has a much larger primary cooking area, 475 square inches compared to the Weber's 320. If you're grilling for a crowd, that's a big difference.
Good point, I do have people over sometimes. But is bigger always better? What about heat?
Well, the Char-Broil boasts 36,000 BTUs across 4 burners plus a 10,000 BTU side burner. The Weber doesn't list total BTUs, but it does have a plus burner. It's one main burner that can go from 250 degrees Fahrenheit for low and slow cooking, all the way up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit for searing. Very versatile, and something the Char-Broil doesn't offer.
Okay, that high heat searing on the Weber sounds pretty awesome. What about the grates? Are they comparable?
Both have porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are great for heat retention and searing. The Char-Broils are porcelain coated to resist rust and are pretty easy to clean.
Cleaning is important. I hate scrubbing. What about extras? Any cool features?
The Char-Broil has LED illuminated control knobs, which is a nice touch for night grilling. It also has a side shelf for prep space. The Weber, on the other hand, has detachable side tables that can be stowed away, and you can buy a griddle insert for it. Plus, it has a built-in mounting for a Weber Connect Wi-Fi hub.
The Weber Connect thing sounds fancy. What are the sizes and weights like?
The Char-Broil is bigger overall, at 25.8 DX 53.1 inches WX 45 inches H, and weighs 85 pounds. The Weber is more compact, at 30 DX 19.7 WX 42.8 inches H, but weighs a bit more at 91.8 pounds. So the Weber is denser.
And what about price?
The Char-Broil is listed at $369.99, while the Weber is $499. So a decent price jump there.
Okay, so it sounds like the Char-Broil is good for larger groups on a budget, and the Weber is more versatile and feature-rich. Thanks. That really helps. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.